Guys, so this is just a quick video of a small IKEA haul. I got some bigger things, but my daughter already took it to her room. She got the little rust nightstands, the raw wood, and she's gonna probably put like a copper knob on them. I'll show you, those will be a different video. But I got these terry cloth robes in extra large, and they are nice and plush, and they are actually $19.99. You can't beat that. I needed some quick little what do you call these, oh gosh, toilet brushes for the bathroom. Those were 99 cents. I love their hangers. Their hangers are thin and low profile, but they do not break and pop like those cheap ones from the Dollar Tree. And you get 10 of them for like $1.10 or something, $1.13. It's a weird number, but yeah, Rizzy needed some and I needed some more. And then being that I gave away so many of my plates and stuff that we use, I decided to go grab some of these because they can still look good if I do a video, and I don't have to use my really good plates that I bought and I showed you guys. And they were 79 cents a piece, so for a set of 12 it was $9. So if you're looking and you're single or live alone and you don't need too many dishes, but you just need a couple nice little plates that'll look good every day, and if you have guests over, just something casual, these are some great plates. So like I said, all this, I got 4 bowls, and it's good portion control. They're not really huge bowls, because me and my daughter were talking about how you pour cereal and you're like, oh my gosh, I poured too much, but it's like, okay, you're not gonna waste it because it's already in the milk. Then I thought these were pretty cool. These are glass and these are soap dispensers, so I just got 2 of those for the bathrooms downstairs, and 1 for the girls' bathroom, just for right now, because I don't know what decor I'm going to be doing in those rooms, but we do need these for right now, and that's something that can just stay in there if need be. So yeah, that was my quick IKEA haul, and these are the things that I purchased. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are looking to find affordable things and you have IKEA in your area, please go in there and check it out. If you've never been to IKEA, you can find a lot of great things for the low price and inexpensive price tag. All right, talk to you guys later. If you are new to the channel, make sure you join my family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you are notified every time I load a new video. I'm still trying to get the grip of what I want to do, if it's going to be a Monday, Thursday, Monday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, I don't know, but you guys will know. But if you hit that notification bell, you won't miss out when I do load it. And if you enjoy the channel, make sure you share the channel with your friends and your family, and I will see you guys later, gators.